Hello, Vita. Your chapter, The Indigo. Continue your next paragraph. The thought he would demand a repayment in full of money which they had illegally and deceitfully extorted from the sharecropper. Here, deceitfully means dishonestly and extorted means took forcefully. He asked only 15%. There he seemed adamant. Adamant means surprised, determined, firm. And writers Robert J. Z. Halls, a British missionary in Champaran, who observed the entire episode at close range, thinking probably that he would not give way, the representative of the planters offered to refund to the extent of 25%, and to his amazement and to his surprise, Mr. Gandhi took him at his word and thus breaking the deadlock. Deadlock means situation in which no progress can be made. एक ऐसी सिचुएशन जिसमें कि कोई भी प्रोग्रेस नहीं की जा सकती है, इम्पॉसिबल टास्क. Here, the moneylender had thought that Gandhi would ask for the full payment of the money which they had taken from the peasant forcefully and prudently. यहाँ पे जो मनी लेंडर्स थे वो क्या सोच रहे थे कि गांधी जी पूरे पैसे की वापसी चाहेंगे जो कि उन मनी लेंडर ने फोर्सफुली और धोखे से प्राप्त किया था. But he asked for only 50% and his decision was firm. लेकिन गांधी जी ने डिमांड क्या रखी? ओनली 50% की. और उसके ऊपर कैसे थे? एडमेंट थे, कॉन्फिडेंट थे. A missionary, Robert J. Z. Halls, who had a close watch on the matter, reported this. The planter offered to pay only 25% as they thought it would be rejected by Gandhiji. अब प्लांटर्स ने क्या सोचा कि हम तो केवल 25% देंगे और गांधी जी उसे रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. ही इमीजिएटली एक्सेप्टेड इट. लेकिन गांधी जी इमीजिएटली 25% के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं. गांधी सेड दैट the settlement was adopted unanimously, means without opposition, without protest by the commission. And Gandhi explained that the amount of the refund was less important than the fact that the landlords had been obliged to surrender part of the money and with it part of their prestige. Prestige means their honor, their respect. And therefore, as far the peasants were concerned, the planters had behaved as a lord above the rules. Here, Gandhiji said that the amount of money was not important, but by giving money, the planters had bowed down the peasants and had given away their honor too. क्या कह देते हैं कि जो पैसा वापस किया जा रहा है वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बल्कि जो प्लांटर्स की जो इज्जत दांव पे लगी है, जो किसानों के सामने वो झुक गए हैं, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. The planters who earlier behaved as if they were above the law now had to abide by it. अब जो प्लांटर खुद को लैंड और खुद को क्या मानते थे? कानून से ऊपर मानते थे. अब वो किसानों के सामने झुक चुके थे. This made the peasant realize their right and give them courage to fight for them. यहाँ से किसानों को किस बात का एहसास हो गया कि किसानों के अधिकार भी हैं और किसानों के समर्थक भी हैं और उनमें साहस आ गया था उन लैंडलॉर्ड्स के खिलाफ लड़ने का. And even justify Gandhi's position, within a few years the British planters abandoned their estates. Abandoned means deserted, inhabited. Their estates which reverted to the peasants, which returned to the peasants. Here we Discuss one word. Abandoned means khali karna, and reverted means a return to the peasants. Indigo sharecroppings disappeared. Events had proven Gandhiji's position. The British planters had to leave their property within the next few years, and these properties were returned back to the peasants. And indigo sharecropping soon came to an end. Uh, अंग्रेज अगले आने वाले कुछ सालों में वहाँ से चले गए और धीरे धीरे जो किसानों की ज़मीन थी वो किसानों को वापस कर दी गई और इंडिगो शेयर क्रॉपिंग का अंत भी हो गया. Gandhi never contented himself with a large political or economic solution. Contented means willing to accept something, satisfied. And he saw the cultural and social backwardness in the Champaran blazes and wanted to do something about it immediately. He appealed for teachers, Mahadev Desai, Nahari Farik, two other young men who had just joined Gandhiji as a disciple, and their wives volunteered for the work. Several more came, Bombay, Pune, and other distant part of the land. Devdas Gandhi, youngest son, arrived from the ashram, and so did Mrs. Gandhi. Primary schools were opened in 6 places, and Kasturba Bai taught the ashram rules on personal cleanliness and community sanitation. Okay, Gandhiji was not satisfied by achieving political or economic solution. He sought to remove the cultural and social backwardness of चंपारण. गांधी जी कभी भी बड़े बड़े राजनीतिक और आर्थिक सुधारों से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होते थे, इसलिए वो चंपारण के जो गांव थे वहाँ की कल्चरल और जो सोशल बैकवर्डनेस थी उसे ख़त्म करना चाहते थे. And Gandhi wanted to do something to remove the backwardness in the beliefs of Champarans. He requested teachers such as Mahadev Desai, Narhari Parik, and their wives to teach the villagers. Both of them were followers of Gandhiji, and many other volunteers came from Bombay, Pune to join them. और भी बहुत सारे teachers voluntarily वहाँ पे आते हैं बॉम्बे से, पुणे से. And Mrs. Gandhi and their younger son Devdas Gandhi arrived from ashram for their help. And primary schools were opened in 6 villages, where Kasturba Bai used to teach the ashram rules on cleanliness and community sanitation. 6 villages में 6 छोटे छोटे स्कूल खोले जाते हैं. कस्तूरबा बाई उन स्कूलों में पर्सनल क्लीनिनेस और कम्युनिटी सैनिटेशन के बारे में पढ़ाया करती थी. Health conditions were miserable, and Gandhi got a doctor to volunteer his services. And 3 medicines were available: castor oil, quinine, sulfur ointment, and anybody who showed a coated tongue was given a dose of castor oil, and anybody with malaria fever received quinine plus castor oil, and anybody with skin eruptions receiving ointment plus castor oil. Here, miserable condition of the health of these patients. Eruption means here a spot, rash, or the mark appearing suddenly on the skin. Health conditions of the people of चंपारण were very poor. क्या कह दिया कि चंपारण के जो किसान थे उनकी जो हेल्थ कंडीशन थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब थी. So Gandhi got doctor who offered his services free of cost for 6 months. गांधी जी डॉक्टरों से अपील करते हैं कि वॉलेंटियरली चंपारण में आए और 6 महीने तक उन लोगों की देखभाल करें. There were only 3 medicines: castor oil, quinine, sulfur ointment, and viral. Castor means अरंडी का तेल, quinine means गंधक, और sulfur ointment means sulfur से बना हुआ मलहम अवेलेबल हुआ करता था. A patient with a coated tongue was given castor oil, and malaria patient was served a dose of quinine, and patient with a skin disorder was given ointment and castor oil. And the women of the area used to wear dirty clothes. and he asked Kasturba Bai to talk to them about it. One woman took Kasturba into her hut and said, "Look, there is no box or cupboard here for clothes. The sari I am wearing is the only one I have." When Gandhiji tried to know the reason through his wife, he was told that those were the only saris each of the women had. गांधी जी जब अपनी पत्नी से बात करते हैं और उन औरतों के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं कि उनके पास फटे कपड़े क्यों हैं, तो वो औरतें बताती हैं कस्तूरबा बाई को, अपने घर ले जाती हैं, क्या कहती हैं, देखिए ना हमारे पास कपबोर्ड है, ना बॉक्सेस हैं जिसमें हम अपने कपड़े रखते हों, ये जो साड़ी डाली है केवल एक ही साड़ी हमारे पास है. ड्यूरिंग हिज लॉन्ग स्टे इन चंपारण, Gandhi kept a long distance watch on the ashram. He sent regular instruction by small mail and asked for financial accounts. Once he wrote to the residents that it was time to fill in the old lantern trenches and dig new ones, otherwise the bad smell would begin to that lantern trenches. जब गांधी जी चंपारण में लंबे समय तक रहे, लगभग 7 महीने तक रहे, फिर भी बीच बीच में आते रहे, तो वहाँ से भी जो उनका आश्रम था अहमदाबाद में, वहाँ पे रेगुलर इंस्ट्रक्शन भेजा करते थे, रेगुलर लेटर्स भेजा करते थे, उनके अकाउंट के बारे में जानना चाहते थे. और एक बार तो ये भी लिख दिया कि जो पुराने जो लैट्रिन के जो खड्डे हैं उन्हें ढक दिया जाए और नए खड्डे बना दिए जाएं ताकि उनसे स्मेल ना आए. And after that, the Champaran episode was a turning point in Gandhi's life. What I did, he explained, was a very ordinary thing. I declared that the British could not order me about in my own country. The Champaran incident changed Gandhi's life. He said that he had done a regular thing. अब चंपारण के एपिसोड ने गांधी जी के जीवन में एक नया मोड़ ला दिया था. उन्होंने क्या कहा कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. He had put his point across. The British could not order him in his own country. केवल अपना पॉइंट उनके सामने रखा, अपनी बात उनके सामने रखी कि मेरी कंट्री में अंग्रेज मेरे ऊपर ही ऑर्डर नहीं लगा सकते. But Champaran did not begin as an act of defense. Defense means oppositions, protest. It grew out of an attempt to alleviate the distress of the large number of poor peasants. Alleviate means remove, uplift, हटाना किसी चीज़ को. This was the typical Gandhi pattern. His politics were intervened, means twisted, braided, connected with the practical day-to-day problems of the millions. He was not a loyalty to abstractions. Abstraction means something which exists only as an idea, imagination. And it was a loyalty to living human beings. The Champaran incident was not an act of opposition, it was an attempt to help on the poor and tortured peasants. अब चंपारण का जो सत्याग्रह था किसी का विरोध करने से शुरू नहीं हुआ था, बल्कि ये तो केवल उन गरीब किसानों की समस्याओं को हल करने के लिए एक प्रोटेस्ट शुरू किया गया था. एंड दिस वॉज गांधीज वे टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स, यस, सॉल्व द इश्यूज. His politics was connected up with the everyday problems faced by the millions of the people. He did not aim at the fulfillment of ideas, rather he was concerned for the people. And the basic idea was to serve humanity and make a free Indian who could stand for his rights. उनका जो बेसिक आइडिया केवल यही था कि भारतीय जो लोग हैं उन्हें अपने पैरों के ऊपर खड़ा करना ताकि वो अपने अधिकारों के लिए लड़ सकें. और यहाँ से स्वतंत्रता की जो फर्स्ट लड़ाई थी उसकी शुरुआत हो चुकी थी. अर्ली इन द चंपारण action, Charles Brewer Andrews, the English pacifist who had become a devoted follower of Mahatma, came to bid Gandhiji farewell before going on a tour of duty to the Fiji island. Gandhi lawyer friends thought it would be a good idea for Andrews to stay in Champaran and help them. Andrew was willing if Gandhiji agreed, but Gandhiji was vehemently opposed. Vehemently opposed. Vehemently means in an intense manner, violent manner. He said, "You think that in this unequal fight it would be helpful if we have an Englishman on our side. This shows the weakness of your heart. The cause is just and you must rely upon yourself to win the battle. You should not seek a prop in Mr. Andrews because he happens to be an Englishman. He had read our minds correctly. Rajendra Prasad comments, and he had no reply. Gandhi in this way taught us a lesson in self-reliance. Self-reliance, Indian independence, and help to sharecroppers were all bound together. Charles Frewer Andrews, who was a peacemaker, pacifist means peacemaker, visited Gandhi before going on a tour of duty to the Fiji island. एक अंग्रेज अधिकारी जो कि पीस का अनुयायी था, शांति का अनुयायी था, गांधी जी का शिष्य था, वो गांधी जी से मिल जब वो फिजीलैंड अपनी ड्यूटी पे जा रहा था तो उससे पहले गांधी जी से मिलने आता है। गांधी जी lawyer's friend wanted Andrew to stay at the ashram and help them, but Gandhi जी refused. क्या चाहते थे गांधी जी के वकील साथी कि एंड्रयू के आश्रम में रुके और गांधी जी की मदद करे, लेकिन गांधी जी ने उन्हें साफ साफ इनकार कर दिया। He said that they did not need the help of Britisher and it showed a lack of trust in their own abilities. क्या कह दिया? अगर हम किसी अंग्रेज व्यक्ति की हेल्प लेंगे तो इससे बोलता हमारी जो एबिलिटी है उसके ऊपर जो विश्वास है वो कम हो जाएगा। He asked them not to seek any help from Mr. Andrews and he was an Englishman. इसलिए उन्होंने मिस्टर एंड्रयू एक अंग्रेज अधिकारी है तो उसकी मदद लेने से साफ साफ इनकार कर दिया था। Rajendra Prasad later on stated that Gandhi had read their thoughts and his reply served as a lesson of self-sufficiency for them in being self-dependent, free and helping the peasants. All these acts of Gandhi were interconnected. क्या कह दिया? आत्मनिर्भरता, इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एंड हेल्प टू sharecropper all are bound together. ये सारी बातें आपस में जुड़ी हुई थी। ओके बेटे, ये चैप्टर फिनिश। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।